Okay, so I got it figured out what I was doing wrong. The holster comes with, or the mounting kit comes with legacy screws for the old Serpa holsters, and they use a smaller diameter screw, which is what I was running into. The problem I was running into, I don't know if I got it on video or not, but I made a mistake whenever I was mounting this. The hex female part that receives the thread, what do they call them? Whatever they call them, knurled insert. That's what the receives the thread, has thread on the inside, and it has a hex head that fits into the hex slot on here. I put those in backwards. I put those in the back side and put the screw in the top. If you do that, the screw's too proud up here, and the screws that go into the mechanism, they don't give each other room to work. So I ended up using the short screws for this, I believe, and or no, I had another pair of long screws, and I used those in here. I used the screws. I used the long round-headed screws on the back of this with the knurls. Got it all worked. Everything's torqued to 18 pounds. And now I have a quick disconnect with a drop leg thigh strap. It took longer than I wanted, but hopefully the mistakes I made you can learn from and don't do those in the future. Ugh. Still trying to figure out the best way to take this thing off. There we go. So the way the holster works is it indexes on the light, and there's this thumb paddle right here. Depress that and it comes out. I don't depress it, won't come out. So looks like the system's working as advertised. I just had to overcome being retarded. Made it through this one, got this one done. Seems like they sent all the correct hardware. Any of the stuff that wasn't going right was operator error. I hope that helps, and well, I'm going to see how this goes. I wanted something that would be out of the way of the plate carrier. Now, the way these attach to a belt is with Velcro, and it's a double loop. So you put your belt through here, close it up, close this, and then, no, doing it wrong again. Close this, and then this goes on top, so it's wrapped in itself, so it can't just like pull off. I think this would work better. I have put the leg strap on with just my leather belt, and it does work, but the problem you have is these things can move, so you have to put them on opposite sides of belt loops and stuff like that to make sure that they don't cinch up as you're moving around. If this was on a battle belt that had Velcro on the back side of it, these would just stay in place. They would Velcro to the belt. So I don't have a battle belt. That'll be to be continued. Maybe Santa will bring me one. But got this put together. It was harder than I wanted it to be, mostly just because I was sitting here reading the directions, but oh well. Maybe my mom took Tylenol when she was pregnant with me. I mean, it'd be a shame if I was just retarded and didn't have anything to blame it on. All right, hope this helped. Have a good one.